Hey everybody, I'm your host Carissa Furr, back again, and today I'm here to talk to you about a super hot trend coming up for this fall season. All the celebrities and fashionistas are joining in, and that trend is cutouts and heavy buckle detailing on all upcoming fall booties. Today I'm going to show you our top 5 pink basis picks that encompass this trend. Alright everyone, there you go. Those are our top 5 fall booties for this upcoming season. And remember, Pink Basis is always here to keep you looking fashionable at an affordable price because all the shoes that we showed you today are less than $40. So happy shopping at pinkbasis.com. And of course, as always, remember all the social media stuff. Remember to like us, follow, comment, let us know what you think, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Carissa Furr.